All my students are requested to put your microphones on and give a big round of applause for our champion's success.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Bravissima success. Made us proud.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Okay, just a
Happy for
second.
you.
Me too, eh? Too happy also.
Okay, now let me. Everybody's mic is off. Success, can you put your mic on alone and tell us how you're feeling? Tell us the time, the day you arrived till now, your experience with Ambrish Quick Patente.
Now I'm so happy. I'm relieved. Finally, I'm so happy. Immediately, we did the quiz this morning, and also when I come out from the exam hall, I knew already I would pass it because the question was so easy. You are really a brave trainer. Do you know I was telling my big auntie that not only the quiz that we pass that is also the problem. You don't only teach for us to pass. You also teach us many things. And you make me to know that we should not be scared of anything. And also, who is a failure is the person that don't try. Even if you made mistake, for you having the heart to try again, that already determines you will be a winner. So, Mr. Ambrish, thank you so much. I don't know how will I say thank you. You are just like a father that want the best for the children. You keep pushing us, pushing. Quiz was not part of me that at least seven is still small. A day I will do quiz. Every day I do quiz. Please, everything that Mr. Ambrish is teaching, let's all take it. It's for our own good. In life, it's hard for you to see someone that will tell you truth, but anybody that tell you the truth, pick it. Sometimes we do say that truth is bitter, but it's the fact. When you notice someone is telling you the truth, just pick it and add it to your life, and you will prosper. I was so happy. I remember the first day I searched on my own because I found it difficult. I don't understand. I've stayed a long time in Italy, but I do not speak well Italian, and I want to have patente. It's so stressful when you don't have car and you walk in a very distance. You are doing things. It's hard. I said, how will I know? And I'm going to scholar with that. I don't understand anything at all. I've been hearing conducente. I never know conducente is a driver. I do not know anything. I was searching on YouTube. I found it myself. At first, I was scared. How will I be learning with someone I've never seen? I'm seeing somebody's hard. What about I'm not seeing the person? How will I learn? Then I said, let me try. Then I try. I see how he was teaching. Mamma mia. I noticed definitely I will pass. And there is a word that he normally say, until you get patente, it will not leave you. I know many schools, when you are up to 6 months, you have not passed, they remove the person from the group. When you are up to 1 year, you did not pass, they remove. But Mr. Ambrish said that until you pass, I will not leave you. That alone is not just matter of the money. It's the determination and effort that is placing in our life that matters, not just the money alone. Because if we say we should say it, the money here is just multi one month, even at school, your time will expire, you need to pay again. So, Mr. Ambrish, if I say I should talk, in fact, I will not stop talking. Thank you so much, sir.
You're more than welcome, Success Park. I can see you speaking from your heart. Thank you very much. Very kind words of yours. I'm sorry I can't put my video on because I look horrible.
No.
I tell you, I went through an operation, so my face is totally non-presentable. I look like, so that's why I just come to, I'm come to my home in America, in Los Angeles. I'm with my mom. So for 1 month, I'll be okay here. I come back and I look smart again for you. Okay. Thank you very much, Success. You made us all very proud.
Thank you so much. You all will pass also. I'm still waiting. You all will pass.
Definitely. And when you're doing when you're about to do your practical exams, I delivered my promise and made you pass in the theory. 4 days before your practical exam, call me again. I will give you everything that your own auto scholar has not given you to pass, because they don't want you to pass in the first time, because they will make money if you fail. So
that is what he said then. He said we will become a family.
And then afterwards,
he actually said it. He said, don't worry, you will stay here till we become a family.
And also just 2 hours before your exam, you need to hear my voice. I will prepare you in such a way, the first try you will pass. Okay, I guarantee you. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much. Tell all your friends about us. Okay, bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you.